Hello everyone, my name's Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. So a couple of months ago, I announced on this channel, I'm going to take the next big step of my life. I'm going to build a practical DevOps learning platform. And just 2 days ago, I actually launched this platform as a beta version. In today's video, I want to introduce you to the platform. We made changes to the initial design. Now we have also accommodated AI in the platform. So you can also learn AI practically through this platform. I'll cover all the features of the platform in today's video. So just make sure you watch the video till the end. I promise you, this is going to be a very unique platform and it covers all the gaps that you have during your learning process. Let's get started. Okay, so for people who are completely new to the platform, basically I made an announcement on LinkedIn. So if you are following me on LinkedIn, I'm sure you must have looked at the platform or you must have created an account with the platform. But if you are completely new, this is a platform. It's called Esc Bash. You can access it using escapebash.com or you can find the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Now, what exactly is the platform? As I told you, this is a practical learning platform for DevOps, cloud, as well as AI. Yes, all that you have to do once you create an account and once you take the subscription of the platform, you just have to click on learn your first skill. And then we have different skills here. For example, these are skills related to DevOps, Docker, Linux, shell scripting, Kubernetes, Python, Golang. And then we have AI related skills, AI fundamentals, Claude code fundamentals. And then we also have AWS. So let's say you want to learn DevOps. You can start with our Linux. So if you head to our Linux skill, you will find all the concepts that are organized. You don't have to worry about roadmap for learning Linux. Everything is in order. Just complete the first topic, then go to the second one, third one, and towards the end, your knowledge will be tested through our Linux projects as well. And of course, once you complete this, you will get the certification of completion. Similarly, you can learn Docker from us, you can learn Kubernetes from us. And the important part, everything is practical. For example, you're learning Kubernetes. Let's say you're learning pods. You will not just learn the theory, but to your right side, you also get a lab environment. So just click on Start Lab, and within 5 seconds, you get a lab environment which has Docker installed, which has Kind installed. So you just have to do like you want a single node Kubernetes cluster, just run Kind create cluster hyphen name. Let me call it as demo. Now you have the Kind Kubernetes cluster with you. Now I'll go through our content. We have tasks as well. For example, this is a task. Run your first pod. Once you have the cluster, test your understanding. If you can create a pod, then wait until the pod reaches the running state. Once you are there, just click on the submit button. For example, I'll show you how this works. Let me intentionally do a mistake. So I'll just say kubectl create deployment. Let me say hyphen image is equals to nginx, and let me call this as nginx. Now the deployment is created. If I just do kubectl get pods, it is also in the running state. But if we click on the submit, it shows the errors because you haven't executed it as per the instructions, right? And we also have some hints. Let's say you are not able to do it, you can get some hints. If you are still not able to do it, you can go to our Discord server, which is going to be free for the subscribers. And there we will also help you with the solution. Of course, if you only want the solution. So this is the goal of the platform. And not only Kubernetes and DevOps concepts, we also have AWS. So you don't have to take the subscription of AWS. Like you don't have to provide credit card for AWS. We are adding a lot of new topics for AWS. End goal, once you click on a particular AWS concept and once you click on Start Lab, you will have an AWS account for you. Basically, we will provide you with the API keys and that API keys will be stored in the lab environment. If you want, you can also use it on your personal machine, but that will only be available till the lab session is active. Same concept with AI as well. Especially in AI, like let me go to one of the topics. Let's say you're learning Claude code. Click on Start Lab. You will be surprised. Once the lab is available, if you type Claude, we actually have the environment with Claude installed for you. You don't have to do anything. Claude is ready. API keys, we are providing you with OpenAI compatible API keys. They will also be on the lab environment. You can just start accessing the models. For example, if I say hi, you will see the response back from the model. So you don't have to worry about Claude subscription. You don't have to worry about models related subscription or API keys. We will provide you everything. Only thing that you need is a subscription of the platform. So you can learn DevOps, you can learn Cloud, you can learn AI through the Esc Bash platform. Now you might have a question, but Abhishek, why are you still in the beta? Basically, we are adding more content to the platform. Right now, we only have 20 to 30% of content on the platform. In next 15-20 days, the platform will be live. Till then, we have opened the platform for the beta testers. More than 2000 people. So we have more than 2000 people as channel members. They are currently enrolled to the beta. Whoever are interested, they are accessing the platform and they're testing the platform. We are doing load testing of the platform. We are doing security testing of the platform. If you are not a beta user, you can still access the platform. You can use up to 3 labs on the platform. That is just to get a feel of the platform. And another reason why we are still in the beta state, because we are also adding certifications to the platform. Basically, you will find practice tests on the platform, which will be rolled out very, very soon. Like you can find practice tests for Kubernetes, AWS, AI, whatnot. You will be provided with a particular time. In the particular time, you have to complete the practice test to evaluate if you are ready for a certification. Sounds cool, right? Yes. So this is the Esc Bash platform. So just go ahead, create an account with the platform, start using our skills, and let us know what you think about the platform. We are definitely open for the feedback. And finally, what I want to tell you all, this is a one of a kind platform. Of course, you might find some similarities, but what we are trying to achieve is completely different. Every minute that user spends on our platform is only going to be for practical learning. As you saw, to the left side, they have the concept, they have the theory material, and on the right side, they have the lab environment. So you learn and practice at the same time. That is what we are trying to achieve. And very honestly, that is something you need if you want to learn concepts like DevOps, Cloud, and AI, and if you want to remember those concepts for a long time. And nevertheless, once you learn the concepts this way, clearing an interview is going to be a cakewalk. Cool. So building something like this is definitely difficult, but I'm sure we will have all your support through this journey. Just like how we built the best DevOps YouTube channel, let's also build the best DevOps and AI practical learning platform. So this is all for today's video. Once again, explore the platform and let us know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you all in the next one. Take care.